Perhaps you need to combine multiple documents. Rather than opening both documents and copying and pasting, there's a feature in Word that you can use that enables you to quickly and easily insert one or more documents into another Word document. Let's take a look. First of all, click where you want the document to be inserted, and we go to the Insert tab, over to Object and Text from File. Now we simply need to locate the document that we want to insert and double click on it. It drops the data in. Now you may need to make some formatting changes, but what this is great for is if you are combining multiple documents into like a master document, makes it much easier and quicker.